GT Taylor presents his annual event called Beach Flex, where singers and DJs from wherever they're touring come back to Jamaica to perform in honor of the veteran radio personality.
A lot of people say it ain't gonna happen or it ain't gonna go on, but the people who believe will see that it go on, and it is on.
I need a man, I need a man, I need a. Hey, what kind of man, what kind of man, what kind of man? How want a man like Mr. Chumsa Matalan? Well,
one even bring a white man named the White Man with her.
This is a man I'm getting from England, a rich white man me bring along. Ladies him rich, rob him when him come off. White tea come in, man.
When I move, you move. Come on top. When I move, you move. Lizard black. When I move, you move. Turn it round like that.
NinjaMan take over the hosting and start calling up people on stage to join him. Him even have poor Wayne Marshall playing Jackie on two sides.
I know you and Cartel are friend. Yeah. But when Cartel lick me in the back, I lick me in the face with back, I never know why with them, you know.
Him give Wayne Marshall a message for take to him friend.
I dance to pick him back me gun. Cause I'm fussy, well this me and the one are done.
NinjaMan was on a roll. Him even bring a new artist come challenge Keep Rich.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment.
Hold on, Keep Rich. Hold on.
Yeah.
You feel like me can call up one next artist alongside you and left one up and mash you up with Mickey Melody.
There's nothing in this whole world that means nothing to me, no.
Later on we hear a big voice echoing from backstage. The people go crazy.
Yeah.
They never thought they would have seen NinjaMan and Merciless on stage again.
Like a thief in the night, Merciless shall appear.
What a moment that was. Them even trade couple lyrics against each other.
Yeah. Ninja, long time me a whole challenge. Can't be never yet.
Merciless! Merciless! You're what got this? But you can never change your name. My name is Mr.
But it quickly come to an end when Merciless uttered these words.
Take them back to the days when me and you did a war.
Red flag go up, police everywhere.
Yo, me just come up here, me just come from foreign for 8 months, you know. Me don't know what go on to Jamaica, you know.
Remember, when your artist go to town for a while, remember to brief them on what to say and what not to say. Okay? T-OK.
These are the reason why enough people drop out. And for that year, we want everybody put on the gun and have fun, you understand?
Tears, tears, falling down your window pane.
Okay, we even see some DJ we haven't seen in a little while.
I could have watched about my brown judge and don't tell me black. She tell them for a man and a fat. So you sing about the boom bye bye. But me no see nothing wrong with that. How when me sing.
The Dr. BeannieMan was in the house. He was not alone or lonely. He got what everyone wishes for. An angel named the Angel to watch over him.
Yeah, angel, girl, let me see your floppy ring. Real impressed, deserve a real king. You see your face, your shape, your body, where you sing.
A whole lot of stars graced the stage.
These are some serious times. All I can see around us is just violence and crime. Set I in the fear and death, or any form of terror.
Blood again. You come out of that, you get shot again.
Darling, you.
Don't have a heartache, don't cry.
Despite a few minor glitches, GT Taylor Beach Flex was a beautiful show, and we're looking forward to the next one. Congratulations, GT Taylor, on a job well done. Caribbean